Hey grant cousins, today we have an amazing grant for your dental needs. If you are looking to get a brand new pair of pearly whites and or need dental treatments, keep watching on how you can qualify for this amazing grant.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
I just wanted to let you know a fun fact. Did you know that an estimate of 74 million Americans has no dental insurance? The risk of oral health problems increases with age, so this grant can help many in that statistics and save money on their oral health. So this is another reason why I'm bringing this grant to the channel. We want to get as much free money as possible so we don't have to dig in our pockets during these times of high inflation. So if you appreciate this research and courtesy of helping you all, please smash that like button and subscribe. This will help me learn if you are enjoying the video so I can keep producing more and more and more for you all. So I did a dental grant video here a few months ago, but it was for residents of Texas. So if you are living in Texas, make sure you click this one. But many wanted to know a similar grant that was not in Texas. So we have the Dental Grants Program for everyone, and it's free to apply and is available to anyone that wishes to improve their oral health and return confidence to their smile. Now, these are upfront grants to a maximum of 30% for basic and cosmetic dentistry procedures. This is a rolling program, so there is no grant deadline. So how this program works is, first you'll submit an application using your enrollment form, and once you submit your application, they will confirm your address and identity and pre-approve you for a minimum of 25% grant. Then you'll be invited to enroll for consideration of an interest-free installment plan so you can make short-term payments to cover the part of your dental treatment that's not covered by the grant, because remember, they're only going to cover 25 to 30% of the grant depending on your cost of your procedure. Now, the payment plan part is optional, but it is given to you. They will also ask you about your dental history, what kind of dental work you want done, and how soon you want to start this treatment. You will receive a program orientation and will have an opportunity to ask any questions you may have. Now, the second step will be you getting a free consultation by a dentist. Once your details are confirmed, an appointment will be scheduled for you to attend at a participating dental office near you for a free consultation. Consultations usually take about 15 to 20 minutes, during which you can discuss your main concerns with the dentist. Now, following completion of your consultation, the dentist will make recommendations for you to achieve the desired outcome you are seeking to improve your smile. All dental work from $500 up to $25,000 are awarded an automatic 25% grant. Now, if your dental work is over $25,000, all costs above that amount are awarded 30% grant. If you have dental insurance, but part of your dental work is not covered by your insurance, you can combine your employer's insurance with the dental grant for the maximum saving. Your dentist will apply your grant, and the insurance will basically be applied towards the remaining amount. So that's how it will work. If you do have dental insurance, but some of the work may not be covered, then you can use this grant to do that as well. So how much can you qualify for this dental grant? You can qualify for up to 30% of the cost of your treatment plan. The current grant payment guide is as follows. If your treatment plan cost is between $500 to $25,000, then you can get a grant worth 25% of that cost. Now, if your treatment plan costs $25,001, then you can get a grant worth 30% of that cost. Keep in mind that if you decide to participate with this program, you have to use your in-house dentist only. So if you do have a problem with not using your primary dentist, then this grant may not be for you because they require to use the in-house dentist only. So most cosmetic dentistry procedures are covered, or a basic dentistry procedure such as fillings and extractions, provided the basic dentistry procedures is incidental to the cosmetic dentistry procedures. Please note, if the dental grant is not sufficient enough to make your procedure affordable, you can ask about their payment plan option. Now, they do have payment plans from 6 months to 5 years. So don't forget, this is for anyone nationwide, and you can apply it any time of the year. So if you don't need it now, just bookmark this, right? Put this down in your notes. You may need it for later. If you do not qualify for any of these grants, please share this video with someone who does. I know they're greatly appreciated. Remember, we have more grants on designersoapbox.com/grants. So make sure you go there and learn the latest of more recent grants. If you like these type of videos, please leave this video with a thumbs up, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is even worth your time and if you will check this one out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.